What's up, everybody? Today, White Castles. I got the chicken sliders. Most people go to White Castle to get the burgers, but let me tell you something. The chicken sandwiches here are phenomenal. Look at that thing. Good crisp to it. And it's real chicken too, and so it's not like processed crap. Really, you would think, but it's not. Also, never go wrong with the onion rings. I get them instead of the fries. I'm known for that. Their onion rings are actually pretty good. I got the zesty sauce. Let's try with that and see how we do. Yeah. Tell you what though, they got really good onion rings for fast food. They're definitely better than Burger King's. Burger King's has like an aftertaste. These don't. Even their zesty sauce is better than Burger King. And this chicken sandwich, let's try a little zesty on that. See how that goes. Something different, right? With the chicken. Oh yeah, definitely. Chicken sandwiches at White Castle. Let's go at 1 to 10. 7, 9.